Hello, hello! A very warm welcome to everyone tuning in today. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to have you back with us here on Ready Talk English.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat about everything under the sun.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here in the room with us, maybe having a cup of tea or coffee.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow and helps us reach more students like you.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we are talking about the things that make us happy. Today, we are talking about your favorites. So, Bella, let's start with the most important thing in life, food. What is your favorite food?
Oh, that is a hard choice. I love so many things, but if I have to choose one, it is definitely Italian pizza.
Pizza, that is a classic. Do you like thin crust or thick crust?
I like thin, crispy crust with lots of cheese and fresh basil. It makes me feel like I am on holiday in Rome. What about you, Alex? Are you a pizza man?
I like pizza, but my absolute favorite is sushi. I love the fresh fish and the vinegared rice. Plus, it looks like a work of art on the plate.
Sushi is very healthy. We can say sushi is your go-to meal. Go-to is a great phrase for our students. It means the thing you choose most often.
Exactly. And what about your favorite drink? Are you a coffee person or a tea person?
I am 100% a coffee person. I cannot start my day without a hot latte. The smell of coffee beans is the best smell in the world.
I know. I can always tell when you have had your coffee because you start talking much faster.
It's true. Coffee gives me energy. What is your favorite drink, Alex?
I actually love green tea. It is very calm and relaxing. When I'm stressed, a cup of green tea helps me feel better.
Let's talk about entertainment. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie of all time is The Lion King. I know it is a cartoon for children, but the music and the story are beautiful.
Hakuna Matata. That is a great choice. I love that movie too. My favorite movie is a bit different. I love romantic comedies, like About Time.
Oh, you are such a romantic, Bella. Do you like watching movies at home or at the cinema?
I prefer the cinema. I like the big screen and the popcorn. But for music, I like to listen at home. Who is your favorite singer?
I really like Ed Sheeran. His voice is very soft and he writes great lyrics. His songs are actually very good for English learners because he speaks clearly.
That is a good tip. I love Taylor Swift. Her songs are like stories. I listen to her music every time I am cleaning my house. It makes the chores go faster.
I can imagine you dancing with a broom. So, Bella, look at your shirt. It's blue. Is blue your favorite color?
Yes, it is. I love all shades of blue because it reminds me of the ocean and the sky. It feels very peaceful. What is your favorite color?
My favorite is green. It is the color of nature, trees and grass. It makes me feel fresh.
Green and blue. We are like the earth. Speaking of nature, what is your favorite season?
I love autumn, or fall, as they say in America. I love it when the leaves change color to orange and red. The weather is not too hot and not too cold.
Autumn is pretty, but I prefer summer. I love the sun, the long days, and going to the beach. I don't like wearing big coats and scarves.
I understand. Summer is great for holidays. We call summer the peak season for travel.
If you could go anywhere right now, where is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place in the world is Da Lat in Vietnam. The mountains are so beautiful and the air is so cool. It is the perfect place to relax.
I love Dalat too. The flowers there are amazing. My favorite place is actually a small bookstore in the city center. It's quiet and I can spend hours looking at books.
That fits your hobby. You love reading. Is reading your favorite hobby?
Yes, it is. But I also started a new hobby recently, photography. I love taking pictures of old buildings. What about you, Alex?
My favorite hobby is playing the guitar. I'm not very good yet, but I enjoy practicing. It's fun to make music.
Maybe one day you can play a song for our students on Ready Talk.
Maybe when I'm a bit better. I don't want to scare them away.
Alex, let's help our beginners with some useful phrases. How can they talk about their favorites?
The easiest way is to say, my favorite thing is name. For example, my favorite animal is a dog.
You can also say, I really like, or I'm a big fan of.
Alex, if you want to sound more natural, you can say, I'm into, like, I'm really into rock music.
And don't forget to say why. Instead of just saying, I like pizza, say, I like pizza because it is delicious and cheesy.
Great point. Adding the word because helps you practice more English words and makes the conversation longer.
You know, Alex, we have been friends for a long time. I think I know all your favorites now.
Oh, really? Do you know my favorite animal?
Is it a dog?
No.
A cat?
No. My favorite animal is a sloth.
A sloth? Why a sloth? They're so slow.
Exactly. They sleep all day and move slowly. That is my dream life.
You are so lazy sometimes, Alex. My favorite animal is the dolphin. They're smart, fast, and they always look like they are smiling.
That suits you, Bella. You are always smiling, too.
Thank you. And I know your favorite fruit is watermelon because you eat it every single day in the summer.
You caught me. It is so refreshing. What about your dessert?
Chocolate cake. Always. If there's chocolate cake in the room, I am a happy woman.
I will remember that for your birthday.
For our students watching, talking about favorites is the best way to make new friends.
Yes, when you meet someone new, you can ask, what is your favorite beep? It is a very safe question because everyone has a favorite something.
And it's okay if your favorites change. Last year, my favorite color was yellow, but this year it is blue.
That's true. It shows that you are growing and learning new things.
So don't be afraid to speak. Even if you only know a few words, just try.
Well, Bella, I think we have talked a lot about our favorites today. Now I'm hungry for sushi and coffee.
Me too. Let's go find some lunch.
We hope all of you enjoyed our conversation today. We hope it helped you learn some new words and phrases to talk about your own favorites.
Now we have a question for you. What is your favorite English word?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers. It's a great way for you to practice your writing.
If you liked this video, please give us a like. It helps more people find Ready Talk English.
And if you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button below. Join our community and let's learn English together.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You are doing a fantastic job.
We will see you in the next video with another fun topic.
Until then, keep practicing and stay happy.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.